Hello friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you'll enter to the window of Facebook Lite and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you will click on force stop and you will click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. If it's not working with you, then you can go to Play Store. If you'll find your update, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.